Hey everyone! This big renovation was completed and the home was sold. I'm going to show you how we transformed the home and added major value to it. If you're curious about the numbers, make sure you stay until the end. Let's start from the front yard. We were going to keep the lawn, but because it's winter, it was challenging to bring it back, so we ended up having to replace it with sod. Now it looks very green and lush, so it was totally worth it. The boxwood hedge is a unique feature of the front yard and it adds a lot of dimension, so we decided to keep it. It's not very colorful right now because it's kind of cold, and when the season improves, the colors will come back. The house exterior looked kind of ugly before because of the weird brown, blue, and green color combo. We repainted it with a lighter and darker gray shades and also replaced the garage door with a new glass panel garage door that matches perfectly with the front door. We also replaced the roof and removed the hedge that was right in front of the house with smaller plants, so the exterior and the curb appeal look very inviting now. Now welcome to this beautifully renovated home. This living area looks huge because we have a living room here, dining room right next to it, the large kitchen, and then the family room towards the end. So this is what people call a great room. Let's start from the living room. We added a lot of recessed lights here and also reframed the old fireplace into a new fireplace with an insert and a beautiful mantel. And on the floors, we refinished the hardwood floors to bring out the natural wood tone. Originally, I was going to put the dining table towards the end. That's why we added the chandelier over there. But then we realized that there's actually enough space right here to fit a dining table, and we could use the end of the room as a family area. That's a better use of the space, so that's how my stagers staged it. The kitchen was originally at the back of this space and it was much smaller. I decided to relocate it to the center of this space to make this the center of entertainment. And because this is a bigger sized home, about 1,800 square feet, we also made this kitchen of a very good size to fit the needs of a potentially larger household. In here, we have a ton of storage on the peninsula, the main wall, and on the island as well. The two-toned cabinets add sophistication to the space, and the hood makes a great focal point with open shelving on both sides that creates symmetry. We also brought cords from the countertops all the way up the ceiling to showcase the beautiful marble-looking patterns and add some drama. And on this side, the island offers a lot of eating space, and it's truly an entertainer's dream. If you're interested in flipping houses and making large profits like I do, join my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. That's where I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and achieving financial freedom through real estate investing. Don't wait any longer, join today. This family room at the end is very cozy, and with the large slider right here, it makes the indoor and outdoor living very seamless. This laundry room is where we added major value. It was about 30% bigger before, but unnecessarily huge. So we actually added a wall here and another one over there to carve out the space to add a third bathroom in the house to make a new ensuite. And this laundry room is actually still pretty big, and we put in a sink here and also a lot of cabinets so that there's enough storage and very functional. This first bedroom was pretty clean before, but we added a new light fixture, put in a new window, replaced the trim and baseboards, and also the closet door and interior door. Now this room looks very serene. This new junior primary bedroom was a big selling point of this home. It was just a large bedroom before, but from the room that we borrowed from the laundry space, we were able to add a new primary ensuite. It really added major value to this house because there are currently 2 primary suites and it's very functional. In this room, we made this closet door much bigger than before so that people can use the inside of the closet a lot easier. This new ensuite bathroom is of a standard size, but because we used white tiles in the shower and on the floors, it feels very spacious and luxurious. I really like how the black hardware contrasts against the lighter color tiles. And on this side, we used a new, very sleek vanity light and square cornered vanity mirror. I especially like this vanity that we purchased, which is a prefabricated vanity, and it has 2 drawers that offers a cutout for the plumbing pipes, so you can still organize your stuff really well in here. This third bedroom is on the smaller side, but it makes a perfect kids' room. I love how my stager staged it with a sports theme. The guest bathroom is pretty spacious, and we use the same tiles we used in the other bathroom on the shower and the floors, and they really brighten up the space. On the vanity side, we used 2 lights on both sides of the round mirror to add some style. I really like this vanity we got that has a very thick countertop that screams luxury. The original primary bedroom is tucked away in the back of the house, and it's filled with natural light. There are 2 closets side by side that offers his and hers closet space, and we added a slider here using the original window framing to add easy access to the backyard. The primary bathroom before had hideous shower walls and floor tiles. We had to gut it all and replace them with these large marble pattern tiles that really make the space look more cohesive. On the vanity side, we also used 2 light fixtures on either side of the mirror to dress it up, and this is another prefabricated vanity that we bought that's also of a wood tone that adds warmth to this otherwise neutral palette. The backyard patio is surrounded by the house. We have the family room on one side and the primary bedroom on the other. In the backyard, we were able to keep the lawn and revive it, which saved us some money. And on the very end, we added 2 planter boxes where we are growing some lettuce and spices, and it really adds a thoughtful touch to this space. I love that the lemon trees are thriving in the backyard, and we also have some new plants towards the end, and this now makes a very good family-friendly space.
This renovation didn't take that long, but I did put a lot of thought into it because the living space is long and skinny and there's extra room in the house that wasn't used that well. I'm proud of how the floor plan turned out, especially the centralized kitchen will make a wonderful cooking and entertaining experience. The laundry room went through a major change and can double as a mudroom off of the garage. The bedrooms were pretty straightforward and professional staging helps a lot. Overall, this was an interesting project and I enjoyed the challenges it presented, and I think we did a good job with the planning and execution. I'm going to spill the beans on the numbers. Stay tuned to see if the sale met our expectations or not.
Now you've seen this entire transformation, let's talk about the numbers. I purchased this home for around 1.8 million and we put about 200,000 into the renovation. We sold the home for about 2.5 million and the profit was around 250,000, which makes this a great project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. We were going to keep the lawn, but now the house looks much with an insert and a beautiful mantle. And it was much smaller. Much smaller. This first bedroom is I really don't know. It actually feels very spacious and luxurious. The original primary bedroom is tucked away, how do you say?